Hey guys, welcome back to Make That House a Home Monday. So I'm super excited to be here with you guys. Today's Make That House a Home Monday, where we do everything home decor, DIY, gardening, and everything in between. On Mondays, we also upload on Tuesdays and Fridays, so make sure you check that out. Not Tuesday, but Wednesdays and Fridays, so make sure you check that out. If you are a subscriber already, hey. If you're not a subscriber, hit that subscribe button and become part of my tribe. Like always, I love you guys from the bottom to the top. Now let's get into this Make This House a Home Monday. So you see this door right here? Beautiful, nice, crisp white door, right? Not for long. We're changing this door to a nice green. Green is not my favorite color, but I do love royal colors. I like any color that gives you like royalty richness. So we're actually going to be painting this door green, a rich green. I have the can down there, and I think I might paint the bathroom door green too, just so it can look cohesive. Remember, this is my guest room, and I am going to be using it for maybe Airbnb, or it might just be my roommate's room. I'm not sure yet. We'll figure that out as time goes on. But in the meantime, in between time, I want to make this green, and I want to make this little hallway here like a cute little hallway, so when you come upstairs, it looks really cute. So let me show you guys what the hallway looks like now. So minus the things on the floor and the light, this is what the hallway looks like. Very plain Jane. This is the this is the door to the bathroom. That's the door to the bedroom. I kind of want to paint both these doors green, but I don't know if I have enough for both, so we're just going to do this door first, and if I have enough, then we'll do this door as well. So yeah. So it's a small little area, but I wanted to still feel homey and cute and nice. So I want to put this door green, and then I want to put one of my plants that I have up here because, you know, I'm a plant mom now. I hope you guys enjoy. Stay tuned for the very end and check out some of my other videos. And thank you guys so much. Now let's get into it. Okay guys, so the first layer is down. Ooh, who is she? She's a green door, yes. This is the first coat. I like how it looks so far. Now I messed up a little bit. I got a little bit of paint up there. I don't know if you guys can see that. This is my door. I'm really excited. Like, I'm super excited. I like it. I love it. What are we gonna do? What are we doing? I'm gonna let it dry. I think it is like 4 o'clock, and I'm gonna probably get up tomorrow and finish it out with another coat of paint. I did not use that much paint, so I might actually start on the bathroom door as well, but I'm not sure about that, so don't quote me on that. It may change by tomorrow. So this was the first coat. I think I did a pretty decent job. I never really painted a door ever in my life, and a lot of my friends was like, why are you painting the door green? Why? One, I'm painting the door green because I like the way it looks now that I actually has it up there. Two, I want my house to be full of color, and mostly like gems and emerald colors, because it's a very nude house. Like, the walls are like a nude color, the carpet is like a nude color, so it's very like monotone, and I want to kind of pop it out with like pops of color. So I actually think I'm gonna get like a plant. Oh, I am gonna get a plant, but maybe one of those colored plants. I have a couple of plant friends on Instagram that I'm gonna contact and see like what's the best plant that will work right here in this little space that I'm thinking of. Because there's some sunlight that comes in. It's just not that bright sunlight. So what's a good plant I could put there? I do have a snake plant, but it's big, but it's not like big. So I don't know about that. But other than that, I will see you guys tomorrow when we come through with the second coat. Hey guys, so I know I said I would come back tomorrow with and do another coat of paint, but the paint is dry. So I guess it's not that thick of a layer, so it dried pretty quickly. So I'm just gonna do another coat of paint to see what it will look like. Hopefully I can get it finished today. And then that'll be it. That'll be make this house a home Mondays. So yeah, we're gonna do one more coat and then we're gonna see what it's gonna look like, and then that might be the end of the end. Alright everybody, so I just did a second coat, painted it down. After that I was kind of tired, so I forgot to actually do a outro, but here's the outro and here is the final product. So it dried pretty nicely. I'm really excited for this color. I think it adds a lot of character to the house and to this little area that is here. Now I can style it the way I want to style it, put up some plants. I believe I am going to do the other door to the bathroom the same green. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Love you guys from the bottom to the top. Have a wonderful day.